Hi, my name's Justin Ford. I'm a physical therapist at St. Luke's, and I want to give you a few simple tips to help for your desk ergonomic setup. How you sit really matters, especially if you sit for long hours throughout the day. The first area of your body you should focus on is your lower half. You want to sit at the desk with your knees at 90 degrees with your feet flat on the floor. If your feet are not flat on the floor, try to get a small box or a footrest to get them flat to give you a good ergonomic setup. The second thing you should do is look towards the upper half of your body. Your arms should be hanging comfortably at your sides, and your elbows and your wrists should be level with your typing surface. If you have an adjustable armrest on your chair, adjust them so they support your arms properly and avoid strain on your body. The third thing you should do is your monitor position. The monitor for your computer should be roughly 18 to 24 inches away from your face, and your eyes should be level with the top of the screen. This will help avoid strain on your neck musculature and your eyes. The next concept we want to talk about are working zones. You should have 3 different working zones, all based on how often you use your objects throughout the day. Your primary zone should be things that you use frequently that you don't have to reach for. These include your keyboard and your mouse. The second zone involves things that you use less frequently, such as a phone or a stapler. That's a simple reach away. You don't use them as frequently, so just a small reach is good. And the third zone, you should have to stand up to use these things. These zones can be adjusted, but the main concept is that the things you use most frequently are close to your center of mass. So if you do end up developing any kind of pain in your neck, shoulder, upper back region because you feel like you're staying long hours a day, please feel free to give us a call, and we'd be happy to give you an evaluation to make sure that your desk setup is working for you and not against you.